at a conference. We have Christopher Grahamstrup, defense counsel, appearing by video, as is Adam Evans, who appears at the Burnett County Jail. We're set today in this matter.
Right away, the judge lists multiple case numbers. That means this defendant isn't facing just one charge, he's fighting multiple legal battles at the same time. Multiple dockets equals higher stakes, higher risk. This is not just a court hearing, this could be a turning point in his entire future.
Matter for a final pretrial. However, the court has reviewed the motion to withdraw the speedy trial demand filed on September 17th by Mr. Grahamstrup on behalf of his client. Mr. Grahamstrup, the court will remove the speedy trial in this case. Mr. Grahamstrup, any further update that you can provide to the court?
Yeah, I did speak with the DA last week, or we communicated by email. Actually, I guess we did speak by the...
Now this is major. The defense is withdrawing the speedy trial request. Normally, defendants want a fast trial to avoid sitting in jail. So why delay? This often signals the defense needs more time to prepare, or there's a plea deal brewing behind the scenes. Strategic delay can be a silent power move.
The phone as well. I understand he has no objection to it, and we'd be looking for a date. Hopefully the court has something maybe in, when we talked about it, it'd be best for January or February, perhaps.
January or February. And I can't recall, was this, how many days was this? 3?
3.
Okay. Now let me see. Is this where we needed a lab analyst? Did this have the DNA?
This has DNA and MOCIC, so that's why, part of why we need multiple days.
So do I need to call the lab to get it scheduled? Or was this the one that Mary had to schedule due to the multiple outside witnesses?
Anytime you hear DNA or lab analysts, you know the stakes just went up. DNA evidence is considered gold standard in criminal trials. The jury listens differently when science is involved, because unlike witness testimony, DNA doesn't forget, doesn't lie, and can't be cross-examined.
I kind of think we scheduled it through you in court, Your Honor.
We scheduled this one with you. There was another one we had where we had 4 experts. This one only has 2, I believe.
All right. So, Mr. Schmidt, who is the lab?
I know the name of the analyst. Let me try to figure out which lab it is.
Well, I wait to see. We could do 3 days in the week of February 2nd through February 6th. Any 3 days work for you, Mr. Grahamstrup?
That entire week works for me just fine.
I found it. It's the Madison Crime Lab, not the Hygiene Lab. I have the phone number if you need it.
I have the number, but who is the analyst? And what is the W number?
It's Taylor Markwart, and it's not a W number because it's Madison Crime Lab. It's M24-1942.
M24-1942.
Yep.
So so it's not the hygiene. Okay, maybe I do need the number because I have 6242 as the number, or 6241.
I have the number for you when you're ready.
All right. Off the record.
Notice how carefully the judge confirms the case number and analyst details. This is not small talk, it's chain of custody. If even one digit is wrong, the entire DNA evidence could be challenged or thrown out. What looks like routine scheduling is actually courtroom chess.
I'm ready.
It is 608-266-2031.
2031. All right.
State Crime Lab, this is Mallory.
Hi, this is Judge Mogan in Burnett County. I need to schedule a jury trial, and it would be with the analyst of Taylor Markwart, I believe.
Okay. Pull up the calendar. Do you have the lab case number?
The lab paper or the number?
The lab case number.
Oh, yes, it's M24-1942.
Okay. All right, and what day?
We are looking at the week of February 2nd through February 6th. So if there's a number 1 in there, just please let me know.
It looks like we have Taylor has a number 1 for Burnett County, the 4th through the 6th.
The 4th through the 6th. What about the 2nd and the 3rd?
The 2nd and the 3rd, she doesn't have anything on her calendar.
So we can number 1 her, and we could probably number 1 her for the 3rd, and then she can stay up here and then jump and run right over to Barron.
Sure. So do you want me to put her on the calendar for the 3rd or a couple days?
The 2nd and the 3rd. Let's do the 2nd and the 3rd just to make sure.
Okay, I can do that.
Excellent. All right. And do you need the DA's contact information?
I don't think so. And we have the list of the DA's information.
All right. Anything else you need from me?
No, that should be it.
Excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right. Back on the record, same appearances as previously noted. The court is going to set the trial for February 2nd through February 4th. We are number 1 with analyst Taylor Markwart. For both of those days, we need a final pretrial.
And then, Judge, I'll make sure my staff contacts Emma.
And here it is, the moment everything gets real. The judge officially locks in the trial date. Once those dates are set, the clock is ticking. Every attorney knows, from this moment, the case is no longer theory, it is headed to battle.
CIC to make sure they're available at least one of those days too.
Excellent. I would appreciate that. How about January 14th? And we can do perhaps Does 2:45 work, Mr. Grahamstrup?
That's fine.
All right, 2:45 on January 14th, final pretrial. Anything else we need to discuss?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Not for me, Judge.
And there's been an offer that's been presented, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
And has there been any discussion with any counteroffers?
There has, but they've not resulted in any resolution.
All right, so hopefully you'll continue to see if you can discuss this case and it can resolve. If not, then we will see you for the final pretrial.
Yes.
All right, thank you. We are adjourned.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Mr.